Hey, what's up? My name is Nick for Angry Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing this TONOR Q9 microphone, starting from now. So this is what the microphone sounds like. This is what you came here to find out, and I would say it sounds pretty amazing. For the price, 50 bucks. Very easy to use. It has a USB plug. All you gotta do is plug it in and it picks up directly from your computer without any drivers or anything of the sorts. It doesn't need any preamps or whatever. It's a USB mic. It works pretty good. So it comes with everything you need. It comes with this arm over here with this pop filter. The pop filter is for P sounds and air. Pippity poppity pippity pop should sound absolutely normal, but without the pop filter it's pippity poppity pippity pop. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. So Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. That sounds without any distortion. So the pop filter helps with that. The closer you get to the microphone, the more of a bass you get. So you get this radio 102.5 coming to you straight from Los Angeles live now, that kind of voice. What else? The pop filter, it has microphone buttons on it, sound buttons, sorry. The plus and minus for the volume, that's really just to set up ones for the peaking. Also, if you press down and hold the button, it's going to turn off the microphone, so kind of like this. And now the microphone is back on. It is indicated by a small little blue LED that I can see that I'm actually speaking, or the microphone is on. So yes, overall 50 bucks, I would say this is completely worth it. It's nice, it's heavy, it has a anti-vibration stabilization here, so if you hit on the desk, you shouldn't hear the vibrations from the desk. You're obviously going to hear the sound, but not the vibrations. Also, the sound is one directional, so if I speak to it straight, but if I speak to it from the back, you can't really hear it the same way that you can hear me speak. The keyboard and the mouse. Yep, so that's pretty much it. Now there's going to be an unboxing. Feel free to continue watching. I also wanted to add at this point that everywhere I've seen, the pop filter was recommended to be mounted on the bottom of the stand, which I think is ridiculous because it doesn't work and gets out of sync with the microphone. So what I really recommend doing is finding that little metal piece there and putting it over there. And now look, when you move it, the pop filter and the microphone stay in the same place.